Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack. Today I will be showing you how to uninstall Brave Browser. So guys, in order for you to do that, first things first is of course go ahead and go to the start menu at the bottom of the screen and go for the settings. Now here guys, on your settings, you can just simply go ahead and go for the apps on the left side over here. Now here on the apps, you should be able to see here installed apps. So go ahead and click on it. And now you will have an option over here to find the Brave. And now, as you can see, this is the Brave. And if you're gonna see it, you can utilize the search bar over here at the top. Now select the three dots over here, and you will have the option to select uninstall over here. And from here, you will have a pop-up if you want this app to be uninstalled, and select uninstall. And from here, you should be able to uninstall the Brave, and it will no longer be on your computer. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.